Hi everybody, welcome to this Wall Street News. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported Tuesday that the Producer Price Index rose 0.1% in July, month-over-month, less than expectations of a 0.2% increase. According to the BLS, the headline Consumer Price Index, released on Wednesday, increased 0.2% in July from the previous month, in line with expectations. According to the CME FedWatch Tool, traders are pricing in a 37% chance for a 50 basis point cut in September. 10-year Treasury yield falls to 3.85% on PPI and CPI numbers. U.S. stocks were up slightly on Wednesday, ahead of key economic data such as initial jobless claims and U.S. retail sales, scheduled to be released on Thursday at 8:30 a.m. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported Tuesday that the Producer Price Index rose 0.1% in July, month-over-month, less than expectations of a 0.2% increase. The index for final demand energy moved up 1.9%, while the index for final demand trade services fell 1.3% from a month ago. On a yearly basis, the PPI increased 2.2%, so we can expect cooling CPI data next month. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics released July's Consumer Price Index on Wednesday. Fortunately, the headline CPI rose 0.2% from the previous month, better than a 0.1% decrease in June and a 0% increase in May. We have to be careful about decrease in inflation data because the decrease means lower GDP growth. On a yearly basis, the headline CPI increased 2.9%, slightly lower than expectations of 3%. The core CPI, excluding food and energy, was up 0.2% month-over-month and 3.2% from the previous year, in line with expectations. After the PPI and CPI numbers, according to the CME FedWatch Tool, traders are pricing in a 63% chance to reduce 25 basis points of the federal funds rate, a 37% chance to cut 50 basis points in the FOMC meeting in September, down from 69% last Thursday. 10-year Treasury yield had risen to 4% on decline in initial jobless claims last Thursday. But the yield fell as the wholesale inflation numbers were weaker than expected. And the yield is now hovering around 3.85% as the Consumer Price Index came in line with expectations, and investors are waiting for key economic data such as initial jobless claims and U.S. retail sales, scheduled to be released on Thursday. U.S. stocks were up slightly on Wednesday. S&P 500 rose 0.38%, Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.61%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq inched higher 0.03%. Today we're going to have the initial jobless claims and the U.S. retail sales at 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna keep you updated. Okay, this is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.